Okay, so today I'm going to create my most favourite pasta dish. This is going to be hand-cut pasta with crab bisque, basil and chili. If you need the recipe for the bisque or the pasta, they're in the previous two videos. And this is me basically bringing these together so that I can have a bloody good lunch. So very simple, we need hand-cut pasta. You can use tagliatelle, pappardelle, gargolini or farfallini, which I'm going to use today. We've got some fresh basil. We've got a lovely crab bisque that you saw me making in that other video. Freshly picked white crab, don't use that packet. Trash. You got lovely fresh red chili and a nice lemon we're going to zest. That is it, apart from a bit of butter. So this is very simple. We're going to start with the crab bisque in the pan, nice and wet. Plenty of crab bisque, and that's like huge amounts of flavour. We don't want that too hot. We just want to bring that up to the boil, reduce it down a little bit. So we almost want to over thicken that, so we can let that back down with the pasta water, and that's where the key to the viscosity, the comfort and the joy of this dish comes in. Just going to quickly chop up a chili, so we need a bit of heat in there. That's for my pasta that's cooking somewhere else. So we're just going to cut some chili, just take the white bit out. A little bit of heat with, I think, shellfish, prawns, lobster, crab. A bit of heat from a bit of raw chili is always good. So just gonna give that a little bit of a thing. Just gives it that sort of zesty pepper. I also think black pepper's great as well. I'm gonna pop that in there. Right, so in there goes my chili. In there goes my black pepper. In there goes a nice knob of butter, and there will be more in a minute. And then we're ready to go with our pasta.
Do you want to talk about...
Oh, good Lord, that's nice. Beautiful. I need to somehow get them out. Yeah, nice. Okay, so what we've got here is the farfallini that are not quite cooked. So boiling salted water. They're about 2 minutes undercooked. But that's important because we want to cook them in the pasta. We want to cook the pasta in the bisque. Also want a little bit of that water carried over as well. And bring that together. So I'm making something that is quite soupy and delicious with the pasta. That's really important. Basil, so we can finish it with that. I'm just going to probably actually just throw those whole ones in there actually. What I'm going to do now is just mount that with a nice knob of butter and a little bit of olive oil. That look pretty Italian to you, Sam?
Yeah, hi.
I'm going to need more basil for the top ads. Right, now it's time. The pan is off. Now it's time for the crab. All that delicious crab in there. Crab and crab bisque together. Look how emulsified, delicious that is. Oh my word, that is something else. Right, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of zest on there. Now, would you have Parmesan on this? Do you know what, I wouldn't. And in Italy, Savi, would you have Parmesan on this?
Illegal. Go to the jail.
Illegal. And actually, to be honest, this one I specifically would agree. I wouldn't be putting Parmesan in that. It's just such an elegant thing as it is. Right, straight on the plate, alla minuta. There you go. Don't waste any of that lovely crab. Finish that with a little bit more basil. That right there, Adam, is, you know where that's going, don't you?
That's a banger, isn't it?
That there is my farfallini of crab with basil, chili and olive oil. That's a banger.
That's a banger.
Okay, today I'm going to create my most favourite pasta dish. This is crab pasta with chili, garlic and lemon. No, it's not. You